Welcome back, guys. You're watching today's Platinum, and in this video we're going to be going over Holochain in another coin review. So if you guys enjoy content like this, make sure to like and subscribe for more. We do daily cryptocurrency content, 2 videos a week, Monday through Friday, as well as 1 video both on Saturday and Sunday. We also have some free resources for you in the description, top 57 cryptos of 2018 and beyond, as well as our free Facebook community for you guys to go ahead and join. So feel free to take advantage of any of that, as well as our premium trading program. That is the first link in the description. So if you're interested in any of that, definitely check that out. But getting into the video, like I said, doing another coin review on Holo. Holo is ranked somewhere in the 60 to 80 range, I'm pretty sure. We will find out right now. Actually, it looks like it may be on the second page, or maybe I skipped it. Let's just search it up. Holo or hot tokens. It's actually interesting because the logo is different on the website and some other places than on coinmarketcap.com, but overall, cool logo, I guess, but doesn't matter at all. It's rank 91. Looks like we just missed it, but looking at Holo, hasn't really had that explosion that normally blockchain infrastructure projects do have, which is why I wanted to make this coin review before that does happen, if it does and when it does happen, so you guys can take advantage of that and end up with some pretty nice gains. So looking at about a $152 million market cap right now, getting around $3 million in volume over the last 24 hours, and you can check out the circulating and total supplies right here. So about less than 1 cent, actually a tenth of a cent you're looking at. So you could definitely scoop up a good amount of these coins, but really depends on where it's going in the future. So let's find out where Holochain could be in the future. If you guys are interested after this video in investing in Holochain, you can go ahead and pick it up on Fat BTC. I didn't even know that was an exchange, but apparently Fat BTC is an exchange. IDEX, Hotbit, LA Token, didn't know that was an exchange either. OOO Bitcoin, and Radar Relay. So all sound like pretty sketchy exchanges. Beside IDEX, I know a few people that use that, but if you can pick it up, it would definitely be beneficial, because no doubt in my mind that this will eventually make it to some exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, and some other larger exchanges. So hopping into the actual website, Holochain, that's the logo that I was talking about that I keep seeing everywhere. Pretty cool. So think outside the blocks and click down. Holo Developer Internship 2018. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and apply there. But right off the bat, they have a little video, basically what comes after blockchain. Holochain is a framework for distributed apps. So I'm not going to play this video in this coin review, but go ahead and go to Holochain's website if you guys are interested in checking out this video. Basically just does an introduction for the project, but like you can read right there, it is a framework for distributed apps. So basically, guys, something that is possible after you have an infrastructure blockchain. So how it works is, let me just sketch it out for you. For those of you guys who don't know, we will just do a little screen sketch. So normally you have the infrastructure. Let me change this to black so you can actually see it. So just picture this as like the infrastructure, right? So this is going to be the infrastructure of what something is created on. So consider this to be something like Ethereum, EOS, Neo, or something like that. Okay, so something that's an actual blockchain that allows things to run on top of it. On top of that, you have basically these applications that are decentralized applications. And on top of that, you can have different features and different softwares, whatever, that are basically for those applications. So in order to create these decentralized applications, you need something like Holochain to be able to build those applications. So like it said up here, it's a framework for distributed apps. So it is an infrastructure project, but aimed at building decentralized applications. So they don't have a ton of information besides this right here: versatile solutions, decentralization with no bottlenecks, and adaptable validation, peer-to-peer, no centralized servers, no ledgers, and no middlemen. Individual authority over data sharing, access, and storage. So a more human internet. Each of us wants to have control over how and with whom we interact. In order to evolve and thrive, our communities must support everyone's uniqueness. Yet today, our online relationships are dominated by centralized corporate websites. Holochain enables a distributed web with user autonomy built directly into its architecture and protocols. Data is about remembering our lived and shared experiences. That doesn't sound right, but distributing the storage and processing of that data can change how we coordinate and interact. With digital integration under user control, Holochain liberates our online lives from corporate control over our choices and information. So it is an infrastructure for, like I said, these decentralized applications, distributed applications, but it's more of a framework, sounds like, for the web. So it looks like they want to basically fix the issue of large corporations having control over our data, as well as the information and choices we have on the internet. If you guys notice, a lot of the time, if you're on, say for example, Facebook is the best example because of Facebook ads, basically based off your interests and behavior, you're going to be targeted for specific advertisements from different businesses, and that is all allowed, and that is all achievable through Facebook actually basically taking your data over time and keeping all that data, using it to basically give to advertisers in order so they can make ads specified for people with certain criteria of data. Facebook then charges them obviously for running those ads, and that's basically how that process works. So looks like they want to basically decentralize this and allow for the people to be in control of their choices and information on the internet. So how does Holochain work? You see it's a video right here, so again, definitely check out their website so you guys can watch these videos and get a better understanding. I always want you guys to do your own research. I just try to bring these projects to your attention in case you may be interested about them. So Holo is hosting a summer internship. Again, if you guys are interested, blockchain developers and things of that nature are very in demand these days. I just learned that I think $120,000 per year is the starting salary for a blockchain developer. So very interesting to see that. Obviously, it's a very new space, so great to see that. So Holochain helps people. Like we said, it's basically aimed at the internet. So own their own data, control their identity, connect applications to suit their needs, transact without centralized systems, build lighter, faster, cheaper applications. So pretty cool that they have a bunch of features like this. Overall, I think they are over-delivering on the value that they are providing. Not only are they kind of attacking the current issues with the online process of data, as well as advertisements and people's choices on the internet, but they're also looking to allow people to build cheaper applications, distributed and decentralized applications through their infrastructure. So definitely a cool project in my opinion, and could definitely have a great future. So Holochain apps help governance and collaboration, social media, social networks, and vendor links, sharing economy and platform co-ops, supply chain wins, and social communities. So that is what they are basically looking to assist with their applications that are built on the infrastructure. So they're not saying that Holochain is specifically going to do these things. What they're basically saying is the applications that are built on using Holochain's technology, those are going to allow for these things to happen. So start building your own innovative applications. We're not just a magic idea white paper. You can build cutting-edge distributed apps in JavaScript or Lisp on our platform right now. So it's good to see that you're able to build on their platform already. You do see a lot of infrastructure projects these days not having that availability to actually build the applications already. Like for example, EOS is one of them. It's been out for a while, and the testnet is out, but the mainnet is not launching until actually June. So your apps will have access to core services like a customizable UI, the Holochain DPKI app that manages keys and identities across Holochain applications, the Holo platform for serving crypto apps to normal web browsers, API bridges between crypto apps, and the capacity to migrate data when updating distributed apps. So, guys, I'm just excited to see the future of our internet with all of these applications that are going to be developed on, kind of the web 4.0 or whatever you want to call it. We're going to basically see distributed and decentralized applications, totally new applications that we've never seen before, and I'm definitely excited for the future of blockchain, see what it does with a number of different industries, including the internet. But it looks like Holochain wants to be one of the leaders in that space. So it looks like they're definitely hiring, guys. I've already seen 3 pitches to hire people. So again, if you guys are interested, definitely check them out. But yeah, that's basically all they have on their front page. They do have some technological details right here, basically just highlighting some of the key things for Holochain. So excuse me, guys, my throat's a little sore these past few days, but holographic storage for distributed applications, low cost, lightweight, and secure. So I'm not going to go through all of this just because I know a lot of you guys get bored with the technological details, and I know I do sometimes, but it's important to always do all of the research that is needed to be done in order to make an informed decision on if this project is something you're interested in. I'm definitely interested in the project. I just want to see further development as well as possibly the next version of their website. Most new projects update their website a little to be a little bit more interactive, I guess, and informational. I think they do have some good information on here, but besides the 2 videos, they could definitely put some more info on here, as well as some other features on their website. So I want to see some more development from Holochain. Like I said, they haven't really had that explosive growth that we usually see with infrastructure projects like this yet, which leads me to believe that we are still in for some large growth in Holochain. Being that it is an infrastructure project, most infrastructure projects normally are, as they develop further on, achieve a market valuation of as long as they are quality projects, somewhere from 500 million to $1 billion, and even further on for the best projects. So this could definitely be one of them, depending on further developments, but we will have to see. So my price prediction for Holochain, not for 2018, but just for the next year or so, I'm looking at anywhere from a $500 million market cap to an $800 million market cap, really depending on what they do. I could see 400 to 600 for sure, but pushing that 800 to $1 billion market cap would be the ideal spot for investors, allowing for almost a 10x at this point. So you're at about 1/10 of a cent now. So looking at about a 5x, you might be at a 1/6 of a cent or 1/5 of a cent. So that's what we're looking out for 2018 and beyond, about the next year or so. So definitely looking out for some more developments on Holochain, as well as some other exchanges adding it. I want to try to get in before it gets added to some of the large ones like Binance and KuCoin, because chances are it will explode in price when that does happen. And I want to be able to get in on those gains, and I hope you guys also want to get in as well. So hopefully there's some other exchanges that it is available on. IDEX, I might try that out, but we'll have to see. So guys, if you have any other cryptocurrencies that you want me to look at and want me to do a review on, I will be glad to do so. Just leave them in the comment section, and also let me know what you think of Holochain. Give me your opinion on it, and any further information that you guys know that maybe I don't. Definitely appreciate that. But that's going to be all for this one, guys. So if you enjoyed, feel free to leave a like on this video, as well as subscribe if you guys are new, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, have a good one.